guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title below, we are doing a review on the Gymshark two-tone leggings. Here it is, voila. But of course, before we get started, if you guys like videos like this, remember to give me a thumbs up. Also subscribe, let your friends know, let your family know that I have a channel. Yes. Alright, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. I bought these Gymshark leggings a hot minute ago. These are called Gymshark two-tone seamless leggings in black/black marl. Not quite sure if I'm saying that correctly, but it's spelled M-A-R-L. This is in a size medium and it cost me $52, not including shipping. So with shipping is actually extra $10, so I paid a total of $62 for these leggings. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into this review. The reason why I wanted these leggings is because I saw a lot of Instagram posts online and the girls that wore it made it look really cute. So I was like, oh well, let me just get myself a basic pair, like a black color, because they had a couple of different other colors, but I thought they were a little bit too bright. So I decided to go with the black marl / black tone color. A couple of the pros that I have for these leggings is that the material is really nice. You can feel that it's pretty soft and also really thick, so they really did layer on the threads and polyester. Second pro that I have is that the color is really nice. This color hasn't faded and I've washed it maybe 2 or 3 times. The third pro that I have is that it is compression proof. This will definitely hold your muscles in place when you run or when you sprint. These are very good in that category. So those are the pros that I have for these leggings. Let's go ahead and get into some cons. My first major con for these leggings is that this is actually the front part of the leggings. And this is where your private area and stomach is at, right? So you guys will see during the try-on clip of this video that there is so much extra material near the belly area and the vajayjay. It doesn't even make sense, because when I bend down, you can see like a whole puff of material just there. I mean, it's not the cutest fit that I've seen, but the back looks really nice. The material actually holds your glutes together, and the waistband is super thick, so it really like sucks you in. So that's the con that I have for this area, right? And then when we move it down this area, for some reason, and I'm not saying this for like all Gymshark leggings, because I do like the other leggings that I have for them, like the Gymshark seamless flex leggings. I love those. But for some reason, this, I don't know who made this, but the legging sizing is so off, because the tummy and the vajayjay area is really loose with all the extra material, and then you move down to the quads and it's like tight AF. I legit had to pull so much material up towards my quads and my knees to actually have this fit. So I feel like it fits more than snug. It's almost cutting off my circulation a little bit, if you guys get what I'm trying to say. Like, it's not a comfortable snug. It's a you're about to get your leg amputated type of tightness. So there's that. That's a major con. Yeah, for the pricing, $62 total, and with all these issues, that's my third con. Like, this should not be $52 worth. I feel like this is more like $30. Honestly. But I don't know why all of the Instagram girls, when they wear it, it doesn't look like they have that extra material in the front. It looks really nice. So I don't understand if I got a fucked up batch of the leggings or something. But yeah, though, that is my major con. This fit is very strange. And I'm quite sure that I didn't gain that much muscle just in my quads. I really don't think that I gained that much, but I don't understand why it doesn't fit. But all of the other leggings that I have with Gymshark fits nicely. I don't have any complaints with those. Or maybe I did, but you guys would have to check the other video that I have. But I don't remember it being this severe, like the extra material in the front and then the quads being super, 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 super tight. Yes, so that's what I have to say about this. Overall, I give these leggings a 2 out of 5, so 2 stars out of 5. 2 being as the style is really nice and the material is really nice. But other than that, they really gotta work on this. I don't know what's going on. Like, they just put all this extra material where the... I'm thinking that they put so much extra material near the stomach and the vagina area so that when people wear it, it doesn't look like you have a camel toe. That's the only reason what I can think of. But then I can't really explain why the quad area and the knees are so tight. Like, it's super disproportionate. Yeah, Gymshark, I just hope you guys look into this video and look into the leggings that you guys made and make a couple of adjustments where the knees and the quads are, and also where the vagina area is, because it's not flattering wearing this in the gym. I don't feel cute with this, and I should have returned it, to be honest, guys. Be honest, I should have returned it when I realized that there was so much extra material in the front, but I was like, you know what, whatever, I'll just keep it, do a review on it, and let my viewers know what's going on with these leggings. That is all for my quick short video. I'm going to add the clip of the try on in the next few seconds or so you guys can take a look at that. But of course, always remember to comment, rate, and subscribe if you guys like videos like this. And yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I will catch you guys in my next one. So, let's start all over. What the fuck is you saying, girl?